Hello there, how are you? Today we are going to have fun with beautiful characters. You ready? Let's start. Can you guess what is it? Alright, it is Minion. Let's start with the head with yellow colors, the cheeks, the body, the arms with yellow colors. Okay, and now the shirt. Let's choose blue color. Okay, one more. Okay, now the pants. Use brown color for the pants. Okay, and then the gloves or the hands is black color. And the shoes, of course, black color. Don't forget the eyes, we use brown colors. Here and here. Okay, and then we color the glasses with orange. And here and here. There we go. Don't forget the background. We use green colors. Beautiful, right? Okay, very good. Now let's start with other cartoon character. Ready? Can you guess this one? What is it? You see the head. It is what? Doraemon. Now start with blue color for the head, here, and there, and the shirt. There. Okay. Now use red color for the nose. The cape. And the mouth. And we use orange for the tongue. Okay, and we use yellow for this thing, and then we use green for the pocket of the shirt, and for the background we use light blue. Beautiful, right? Very good. Okay guys, that's all for now. See you next time. Bye bye.